Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create the assignment and share it to the students. So this can be used for regular assignments or also for conducting lab exams. First of all, open the Microsoft Teams app and feed your full ID. Then click on sign in. Once you are signed in, as it indicates here, go to Assignments tab from the left navigation menu. Here you can see the previously assigned assignments. At the bottom there is a button called Create. Click on that and select Assignment from it. This will display all the teams of which the faculty is a part. Choose the batch for which you want to conduct the lab exam and click on Next. In the title you may express the complete details about the lab. Then you can copy the instructions provided by your respective HODs and then paste the same over here. To identify if the papers are uploaded properly or not, we'll be using the rubrics. Let's give points of 2 here. Next, go on to add the students which belong in this particular group. You can select the students if they are already visible, or you can select it by typing the starting names of the hall ticket, and it will keep collecting all the names over here. Once you have selected all the students, the number of students will appear here, and you can cross verify which students were added by clicking on that button and checking which ones are ticked on. There is one last step, that is setting the time limit. If you leave this setting as it is, the assignment will reach the students as soon as you click the Assign button. If you want to set it for a new date in the future, click on Edit. Then click here to schedule or schedule to assign in the future. Choose the date and time of the exam. You can click this clock here to select from a list of times available. So this is the date and time when the assignment becomes available to the students. Now we need to set the ending time of the exam. You can set it 1 hour after this. You can see the summary of the test created. It says the assignment will become available on this date and time, and it will end at this time. Late turn-ins will be allowed, which means student will be allowed to submit the assignment late as well. Of course, the students who turn in the late assignment will be notified to the faculty, and we can decide what action is to be taken for the late turn-ins. Or we can decide to choose a close date, after which no late submissions will be allowed. The faculty may choose to add a few minutes extra here to compensate for problems with internet or other issues. So now that the time is set, click on Done. Now click on Schedule and the assignment will be created and will be ready. You can see that here. If at any point before the exam start you want to edit the assignment, you can click here, change whatever you want to add in and click on Update. Thank you for watching this video.